Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup, just pretty much anything related to makeup, and we are going to be doing a makeup unboxing for the June's Lashy box. Finally going to do it. So Lashy box is a monthly lash subscription. You get when you sign up, it does say 3 to 5 pairs of lashes, but I have always got 4, so I just say you get 4 pairs, and you get around 2 makeup items. There has been some months, rarely, that you would get like 1 palette and that'd be it, but normally you do get around 2 makeup items. And it does cost $12.99 a month, plus shipping and handling around $3. And I absolutely love their lashes. They're really great quality. They are like 3D silk lashes. And here they are. The first one is called Peaches. Let me take it out of the plastic. I think it shows out like the glare from the light. I think it looks better out. You get to see it better. Okay, so here they are. These are right up my alley. Absolutely love these. A little bit more dramatic, and that's what I like. And I just need these. I love these. These are their 3D silk lashes in Lucky. And here they are. This is the style I like the most. So, by Illuminati, I have tried lip glosses, lipsticks, eyeshadows, and everything by Illuminati. And I'm going to guess this is probably a mascara. Let me find the plastic. I got 2 or 3 pairs of lash scissors. Cannot find them nowhere. Like, my vanity is such a mess. And every time I straighten it up, it ain't like 2 or 3 days later, it's right back into a gum. I do like the Illuminati always has, like, cute packaging. I've got a lip gloss that's absolutely just love the packaging. Okay. Here it is. So it's just like a normal, a little bit on the wider side. Don't really have no smell to it. I don't know if it's where, it's got a little bit of a smell. It doesn't have like that normal, like overpowering mascara smell. Some of mascaras make me sick and I can't stand the smell of them, but I like how that smells. Okay, next makeup item. It already looks like it's going to be a fun palette. Okay, it's by Oakland. Color Perdel. It looks like it's got, looking at it, it's got some nudes, some bright colors. I do like that. So it's got a mirror, fun looking palette, and I am really like loving this palette already. Just looking at it. And I've tried a few other stuff and absolutely love them. They have a like one palette I got. I absolutely love it. We'll swatch these really fast. But these look like good, like summer to fall colors. I like it. You've got your bright colors for summer, and a pop of yellow, which can go for summer or fall or spring or anything. But then you got like in this section transitioning into fall, so you can take this palette right with you. So and I love the little imprints. So, and they feel really soft. The pink looks like it's got glitter in it, but it's not like the shimmer like we normally put all over our lid. It's just got a dusting. There's the first one, the second one, the third one, and the last one in the row. You can see it's got like The glitter is just in it. It's not like a shimmer color. And the glitter didn't really like me. It's there, but barely there. Okay, second row. Love that pink right here. Okay, last one row is this gorgeous yellow. Oh, I love that. And let me see. And the purple. Purples are harder. It's kind of like more like a metallic color. Let me put it on the back of my hand, be easier. So I like that. I think you can build it up. I think it'll be fine once you get primer and stuff. So we got some more lashes. Normally we get like 2 pairs of Lashy boxes and 2 from another brand. This month we got 3 from Lashy box. And this is also their 3D silk lashes. Almost Famous. And I do like these. They're really full lashes. So I like these. And I do like how they come with this. I've got something on the side of my vanity that the lashes I like using a lot. I just hang them up. And our last pair of lashes is from Zola Lashes. I do like the Zola lashes. They are really good. This is their premium 3D silk lashes too. Reusable up to 30 times with proper care. And these are their Gemma lashes. And here they are. I think these are gorgeous. So I do like these. They got a really good band on it. Maybe for some people it's too thick or maybe not thick enough. Some people like really thin ones. But I think these bands do just good. I think especially for beginners, Lashy Box's lashes will be really good for beginners because they're not like too thin. Then we did get a little bottle of their white, which will go to clear glue. This month I got 4 pairs of lashes I'm really happy with. For $12.99 plus $3 shipping and handling. I think it right like around $17 is what I paid for this. And I'm really happy with what I got. The palette alone, I love that. 4 great pairs of lashes and also the Illuminati mascara. So, you know, I think for $17, you know, I got some really good stuff. So I am oops, my cat's laying over. But I am really happy with it. I cannot wait to play with this palette because this is gorgeous. Okay, so if anybody would like to try Lashy Box for yourself, I will leave the link down in the description box below. And really, I guess that is it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Even though I had some problems getting every package open. I don't know what's wrong with me today. It's like every subscription box I got this month, everything has been hard to open. But we got there. And I guess that is it. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye for now.